Hi, my name's Nelson. I'm a San Francisco native, worked out of Washington, D.C. for aviation public policy, shaping airport regulations.
Hi, my name is Shal. I'm originally from New Jersey. I worked in New York in the finance rating agency company, covering companies such as manufacturing companies, defense, and aerospace companies.
Cool. So, Shal, Business Lab is supposed to provide a unique opportunity for students to pursue their passion in entrepreneurship and innovation. So can you tell me why you joined that class?
Sure, I chose it for primarily one reason. In Business Lab, we focus on startup culture, and you really focus on all the things a company goes through as they launch their products and services. So I wanted to explore those things further because I have my own idea of a company that could work in Hong Kong in the health administration space, and I want to explore all the things that I should go through before starting that company.
Cool, and couldn't agree with you more. For me, I joined the class for the same reason. I had a business vision and wanted to turn it to reality, but need a little more guidance from our professor, which is currently from Li and Feng. So what are some things the class offers?
Business Lab is designed off of a comprehensive business plan. A business plan, as you know, involves many parts, some being how to market your business, how to model your own growth, and how to create unique value propositions for customers. So what the professor will do is at every class he'll focus on one of these parts, and as well he'll bring in guest speakers from the industry to enhance our understanding.
Okay, I think I'll probably add to that is that we get to learn from our classmates and the guest speakers that we bring in of their entrepreneurial mindset or the creative mindsets. I think that's very important in the startup space, just being able to think outside the box. You mentioned guest speakers. Can you tell us who those guest speakers are?
Sure. Recently we had the co-chairman of the popular music label Naxos speak to us about how to market new labels. We've also had many first to second year students and professionals that are in their own Hong Kong startups. Many of these are actually Hong Kong U MBA alumni, and they provide lots of helpful information to us.
Okay. And so do students actually have to launch their business while enrolled in this course?
No, there's no requirement for you to launch your own business while in the course. The course provides you with as many tools as possible, so you're best prepared when you do decide to launch your business.
Oh, okay, great. So look forward to your startup.